The topic is stretching your tax refund, okay, and tips on how to maximize the money that you get back or that you hope you get back.
Yeah.
So where do we start?
Well, so, now folks are starting to get a tax refund back. So, the general consensus out here in the financial world is you pay off your debt, right?
Sure.
So, the idea is you get your highest costing or your highest interest debt, pay it off first. Usually that's on your higher debt balances, right? Well, that's one thought that you might do, but another thought you might do, maybe with a younger generation, take your smaller debts, pay them off, so you can give yourself a little confidence seeing that you can. So now you have that feeling of accomplishment, seeing those debts disappear, and then maybe take charge of that larger interest or that higher debt, and then attack that one and just keep that ball rolling. That's probably, for the younger generation, that's what I'd encourage.
So a little more instant gratification. If you get one, you knock out a couple of them, and then
that's right, and it
makes you feel like
encourages you to keep that process going. Now, if you're older, obviously, what's the best use of your money? Pay off the highest interest first.
Sure.
And, most responsible people will attack it and try to reduce
pay off
it.
something, I mean, even if you're just sending one check of a little bit bigger dollar amount, that's better in your mind than sending 5 checks out.
Oh, absolutely.
You feel,
and there's a couple of different ways to approach that thought process. Now, the next thing, start a savings account. The one thing that we encourage people not to do is repeat the mistakes they've made in the past. Last year when you got a tax refund, you went and spent it. Now, this year when you get a tax refund, try to learn from your mistakes, because you still had the debt, you still had no savings, and you still had the same problem. So now you pay off some debt. Now maybe you go start a savings account. Now, I have a favorite bank here in town that I use, and they've got what they call a Casasa checking account.
I've heard of that.
And so, it's an online account. So again, younger generation, I encourage you, start a savings account, but maximize your interest rate. So you get a Casasa account. They'll pay 3.01% up to a balance of $25,000. There's a couple of hoops you got to jump through. You got to do online banking. All right, well, check. Most people do that.
Right.
You got to have a reoccurring deposit. So if you have a paycheck, just switch it into there. And you got to do 12 debit transactions a month. Well, the majority of people are using debit cards now on a regular basis. So and there's no minimum. So you could buy a 25-cent pack of gum and use your debit card.
Do they have those anymore?
I started to say, can you get gum for a quarter?
That might just be the
maybe a
bazooka
senior
20.
Dr. Pepper at Sonic.
There you go.
Do you maintain the $25,000 balance?
Well, up to 25, they'll pay
25,
that.
gotcha.
So if you run a couple $1,000 balance in your checking account, because now you got your refund, you're at least going to be making some interest on that money.
But the more you have in there, the more interest.
So I'd strongly encourage you to take part of it, pay off debt, take part of it, start a savings account. Couple more things. Start a Roth IRA.
Yeah.
At any age, you can make a withdrawal out of that IRA of the balance that you put in. So if you put $500 in a Roth IRA and 6 months later you just have to pull it out, you can access that. You can't access your growth.
Right.
You have to wait till you're 59 and a half, but you can pull your principal back out. You could almost treat that like a savings account, and you get the big benefits of tax-free money down the road. So that's a thought.
All right, we're running out of time here, but you say prepay rent or mortgage a month in advance.
Get yourself a month in advance and stay there, and that's a big advantage.
Yeah.
And look at a life insurance policy as well. So
that's right. So if you haven't ever bought life insurance, that's another place to put some money and build some cash, maybe some future retirement. But if nothing else, you protect your family.
Yeah, good ideas.
Absolutely.
If you ask people, what did you do with your refund last year? I'll
They
bet most
spent
people
it.
go, I don't know.
Yeah.
Do
I
something
bought
that
stuff.
you'll appreciate next year.